Hey guys, today's Monday, February the 26th of 2024. Let's check out natural gas pre-US market. As you can see, we got this nice accumulation on the closes, this white line, and then we pulled back. And so far today is 26. Two important days I'm watching is today and tomorrow. So let's see how price action is going to play out. Looks like so far there's some sellers in control right now. Let's look at our simple glance. And nothing's really changed. MACD still negative. Only thing is I'm noticing a better hockey stick now. You get that hockey stick, and now we're getting like a slight bump up here. So that's good. It's kind of seeing right here. Maybe for a possible turning point. I don't know, today or this week, that could be playing out. So it could be sideways to maybe grinding slightly higher. And on the daily right here, we're just kind of in the mobile bands, in the noise. Nothing really exciting. We never took it out here and kind of pushed back. So you got PPS sell signal. So the mobile bands are telling you the noise barrier is anywhere between 161 and 172. Could just be choppy here. Once we close above 172, the possibilities are greater for us to test at least 179. And then if we take that out, that's our pivot high. Then maybe we could kiss the 20 SMA. But if we push lower and then take out the 158, it's greater to test 152. I am watching 157 to see if 157 holds today. So let's keep an eye on that. You can see that the MACD dipped, and now it's still at the zero line. Midpoint chart. But before I go to the midpoint chart, let's check out our calendar. Now that I got all my datas in there. So bearish day today. Tuesday, you can see that it's bearish. Wednesday is bullish, trading day. Thursday is bullish, and Friday is bearish, but not by much, very slightly. That's March 1st. Weekday is down. This weekday on Tuesday's up. Wednesday's down. Thursdays are the biggest down day. And Friday's down day. Where you make the most money, shorting, will probably be today. Tomorrow, probably even a bigger day, because you got $3 signs. So you got two. And then Wednesday, it's pretty much, you can make some money to the upside. So it looks like maybe if this plays out, they'll push it down today and then tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be aggressive, but you never know. And then the bulls show up Wednesday statistically, but not guaranteed and not promised. Nothing really here on Thursday. And then if you were to go short, you'll make money, but not by much. So I just put a dollar sign. So these are the days for that. On average return by week, it's not that great. Minus 1.38, 13%. Average return by month, we know that. It's just a down month. So that's the statistical calendar. Let's look at our midpoint chart. And you can see that we put a low here of 158. So 157, I'm finding it interesting. 157, 158. If it, I don't know, it depends. If it pushes down and this kind of holds, that's going to be interesting right here. This is where I was thinking of getting in. But all depends on price action. If it gets down here, I might dip my toes. But it's going to be risky because it could probably push all the way down here. But we'll see. But 157 is an interesting level for me. Let's look for the, I think I did this on the week. Well, just in case for people that are new. So this is the line in the sand for this week. And if, let's just keep it simple. 165, and we just got this, change of contract, and we're bumping right here. And if we go below that, then chances are 157, which is this one right here. I'm watching. If that holds, if it goes down and it holds for the U.S. session, I might dip my toes there. There's a reason why, but I'm not going to explain it here. And see what happens. But if it doesn't hold, it pushes lower, then it's not respecting that 157. So I could go to 152, 145, 138 for the week. Not that's going to happen today, but you know, these are levels for the whole week. Now we bounce here. You know, we know statistically it's a down day, so it's going to go against the statistics. But if it does, which could happen, targets to the upside is 179, 186, and 192. If it gets to 192, if it was me, I would lock in some profits or take some off the table, depending how many contracts you trade. But so those are the big ranges, big level for this week only. So let's see how we go for the week. Sorry, it was the wrong chart. This is the one I want to go for today. So this is for today only. So today we have line in the sand is 165. And this is the level I'm interested. 158 to 157. So if this holds, targets to the upside is 172, 176, and 179 for today. So watch price action if it gets up there. So these are things if you want to just get in and out and just hit that. If you want to just hold it, depending on your strategy, whatever whatever style of trader you are. And I'm just, these are just levels. And if it's going to go lower, obviously going to test 158. But if it passes 158, 155, and 151. Let's look at our square 9. And I think on the forecast video, I was thinking this is going to be the range. Anywhere between 157 and 169. Maybe this back and forth, knowing that this is like your midpoint right here, 163. And this is 165 right now. So you got a strong midpoint level right here, which relates to these guys right here on the weekly and on the daily. So keep an eye on that. Like I said, if 157 is violated, then 152, 155. Let's say worst case scenario, if they really push it down, this is an important level too. Key level 152, between 152 and 144. This one has a little more, deeper meaning, but this one is a level of June, I think the 20th or the 25th of 2020, around there, that 144. Just in case, Monday or Tuesday, they slam it down and they want to push it down to down here, which they can. That's an interesting level that I'm watching also. But if it doesn't get down there and it's just going to be, consolidating around here and kind of grinding higher and then pulling back and then kind of going back and forth until it's ready to, do its move, this is what I'm looking at. But I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on nat gas.